Interim Cleaning. Interim cleaning is another preservation element of a comprehensive maintenance program. Interface recommends an encapsulation method of cleaning using XL North's Grab Fortify LMC or equivalent product. Start by thoroughly vacuuming the carpet. A low moisture applicator with counter-rotating brushes should be used to clean with the encapsulating pre-spray, which is applied through the tank on the applicator or from a pump-up sprayer. Encapsulation, also known as the crystallizing method, uses minimal amounts of liquids that are specifically designed to clean the carpet. Work the solution into the carpet using the counter-rotating brushes. As the solution dries, it forms crystals that trap contaminants, making them easier to remove by vacuuming. After 1 hour, vacuum the carpet using a CRI-approved dual-motor upright commercial vacuum. This procedure also encourages pile lifting, which simply lifts crushed pile and loosens dry soil.